Okay, next we're going to do You Are My Sunshine. Almost the same chords. We've got a C and the F and a G7, just like we had before in Amazing Grace, but there's an added C7 that goes in there. It's an optional one, but we choose to use that, and it's You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much Okay, so you see where the C7 comes in. And again, this music is available at Lollipop Music's Facebook page as a PDF download. And strumming wise, Mary's going to do like we just did, the simpler. It's not quite one beat per measure. She's playing on beat 1 and 3. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You are my sunshine. Okay, I'm going to be doing a little different strum. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. You are my sunshine. So it's going to go like that. Okay? Anything else you can think of to cover, or it's pretty straight up, huh? 3, 4, 1. You are my sunshine.